In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T Pro, and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles. And you'll see them obviously right here. Now you'll have a bunch of pages, so let's swipe to the side and see where our screen recording toggle is located. So it looks like it's on the second page right over here. Now once you find this toggle, you can tap on it to immediately start recording, or you can hold it like I just did, and this will take you to the settings. Now on here you have a couple different things that you can change in terms of quality of your screen recording. Now probably I would recommend changing the frame rate from 24, which contrary to what you might have heard is not cinematic. It's garbage, so set it to 60. Now I don't recommend setting it to 90 just because it's going to be an overkill for majority of the use case scenario. 60 gives you a nice smooth screen recording with a balanced file size. Now apart from that, we also have a screen resolution that you can record at, which by default it's set to the screen resolution of this phone, which is good. The other ones are just a little bit lower. 720p might not be the most optimal resolution, so I would recommend keeping it at this, which is just a little bit over 1080p. Video recording at 16 megabits per second, pretty good I would say for this kind of resolution. If you start seeing some kind of weird blocky areas on the video, you can make it up to 24, and that should completely remove that problem. And orientation is set to auto. I'm going to touch upon this later on once I start recording. And sound, you can just choose whichever one you want. Anyway, from there we can close this. Now going to the screen orientation. This will matter if you're recording gameplays. So if you, for instance, start recording right now, select record, and there we go. And I open up any kind of game, just do this. As you can see, it switches from portrait to landscape mode. And now I'm gonna stop it. Come on, there we go. And I will show you what that results in. So because we started in portrait mode, which you have just video recording that is taller than wider, the same thing will apply to gameplay. So instead of it filling the entire screen, it's just gonna still have the same aspect ratio, just the gameplay will be like this. And I'm gonna show you right now what I mean, if you might not get what I mean. Where's the up? Oh, there we go, photos. I'm gonna close this, and you can see it right up here. So obviously right now it's in portrait, and as you can see, once the game is opened, it just has the game still in portrait mode, and it tries to fill it from side to side. So additionally, if you're wondering, if I flip it into portrait or landscape mode, there we go. So right now it's in landscape mode. It's not gonna fill the entire screen, it's gonna make it even smaller. So there we go. So when recording things that would switch to landscape or portrait mode, opposite to what you started, you might want to just stop the recording and resume it again, or just start from once the actual app or whatever it is you're recording is already opened. This will remove that problem because it will automatically start recording for games in landscape mode, because the games always go to landscape mode. When you record it from there, it will just fill up the entire screen like it's supposed to. But when you switch in between, it's gonna create just a little bit of a problem there. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.